Let's get our Bronco build started with a brand new exhaust system from AWE. We've done a lot of videos with AWE exhaust here on the channel because they make a great product that sounds good, and best of all, it's made right here in the USA. So it's no surprise when the Bronco came out, they had a system available. This is the 0FG catback exhaust system, and this is going to work with either a 2.3 or 2.7 liter Bronco. It will also work with a 2 or 4 door. One of the best parts about this system is the modular design. There actually is 3 separate systems on this table, so let's go through and actually explain all the details of the system and how it's going to work on your Bronco. So let's start with the basics. All their systems include everything necessary for either a 2 or 4 door or a 2.3 or 2.7 liter Bronco. They're going to be available in 3 different outlets. You're going to have your dual outlet, which is available in the diamond black or chrome tip. You'll have your single side exit outlet, also available in either the diamond black or also in the chrome. And last of all, you have one with no tips whatsoever, which just includes the bash guard. Now let's talk about the bash guard. That's going to be this piece right over here. Now the bash guard has a heavy duty steel ring at the end. This can be used by itself as basically the exhaust tip. So if you're going off-road and you're looking for maximum clearance, this is the way to go. Plus with that ring, if you hit anything, you're not going to damage the exhaust system. Now to use the bash guard, again, you can buy it in a system with just the bash guard, or if you buy any other system, the bash guard's included. So you can drive around with the nice tips on the vehicle, have it look really good. You're going off for the weekend out in the woods, just pop this off, throw the bash guard off, and you're ready to go. Now here we have the side exit system. The side exit, again, black diamond or chrome tip. You get this big fat 5-inch tip on there. But again, like the other system, this is modular. So it's gonna come with the bash guard pipe as well. So again, if you're going off-roading or whatever, you can pop this off and easily install this, which will give you more clearance than pretty much any other exhaust on the market, but also give you that modular look where you can have the good looks when you want it and off-road capability when you're ready for it. And then finally here we have the bash guard only system. Now again, if you're an off-road rig, you're not worried about having tips in your vehicle at any time whatsoever, the bash guard system is the way to go. But again, if you go with a dual tip or single tip, the bash guard is going to be included, so you have that option when you're trying to go off-road. Like I said, USA made, 304 stainless steel, 3-inch mandrel bent, a nice straight through smooth exhaust system, and best of all, it's going to sound good, and there was some power too. About 3 to 4 horsepower for the 2.3 and a 2.7, and about the same torque. Now, since all the AWE systems are catbacks, we're going to start by removing our factory system from here back. Start by loosening up these 2 nuts. Now remove the bracket for the hanger here on the frame. Now moving to the back, follow the tailpipe into the muffler, and release this clamp so we can actually separate these 2 pieces. And now I'm going to reach up, remove the hanger. And now with the hanger off, let's separate this pipe. Sort of twist it. Okay, now we're going to remove the hangers for the muffler. I'll get the last insulator off here. We'll grab the OE hanger off the front pipe. We're actually going to reuse all the OE hangers. So now grab your AWE front pipe with the resonator. Grab the factory hanger with the pin upward. Put that in place. Then we're going to install this using all the factory hardware. Just snug everything down for now. We'll come back and tighten later. Now once the front resonator is installed, if you have a 4-door, the next step is to grab this pipe, part number E35. This is your extension pipe for a 4-door. Now since our Bronco is a 2-door, we're going right to the over axle pipe. One of the unique things that come with the AWE system are these locking collars. Basically, this is going to make sure the exhaust does not move around if it gets bumped, banged, or whatever. You're going to start by putting one of these on the pipe. Then we'll put this in the factory hanger, put this one on the other side. Grab the hanger, the insulator here, and put it back on the bracket. Now, whether you have a single outlet or a dual outlet, they all come with the bash guard. And again, you can buy bash guard exhaust only if you're gonna be off-roading all the time. Basically, we're gonna do that because they all include this. We're gonna show you how this looks next. We put a clamp on the bash guard. Get it started up here. Slide into the factory hanger and onto the mid pipe. Now, at this point, if you want to run just the bash guard, tighten everything down, and basically your installation is finished. Now, as you can see with the bash guard, this is maximum clearance. If you're going off-road, some real heavy, rocky terrain, whatever, you can throw this pipe on there. It's literally only gonna be one clamp, and this, again, is gonna give you maximum ground clearance for the AW exhaust. All right, now we'll show you the single exit option. Now, again, like I said, all the systems include the bash guard. The single or dual exit will be different part numbers, so you get the one that you like. Put a clamp on the pipe, connect your mid pipe and the hanger. Now grab your single tip, put it up in the pipe, see it where you want it, and then tighten the clamps down. All right, now we're gonna show you the dual tip option. Now again, if you're doing this on a 4-cylinder like we are, you have to use this adapter bracket. If you have a 6-cylinder, you will not need this. Basically, this goes over here. Use the supplied hardware. Again, don't tighten this down just yet. We'll adjust it when we adjust for fitment when we're done the whole installation. Now grab the OE hanger, the rubber insulator here. We're gonna put that onto our AWE bracket. And we can put our dual tip into place. All right, start by putting this into the hangers. Put a clamp over the end. Grab the supplied hardware, put it onto our tip, slide the tip over. Same thing on the other side. Here we can see we're actually sitting way lower here. That's why this bracket has the slotted holes. You can actually pull the entire system up and tuck it nice and close to the bumper. Now go back and tighten everything up. All right, let's fire it up and hear how it sounds. Whether you're a fan of the side exit, the rear exit, or just want to go off-roading with the bash guard, the AWE 0FG exhaust really gave our Bronco a deeper tone than I expected. I mean, that engine sounds a lot bigger than a 2.3 in there. It's nice about it too is it's not overly loud. You can tell it's aftermarket, but the modular design is really nice. Again, we've got these great looking tips when we're driving on the street, we're heading up to the trails. Simply pop that off, throw that bash guard on there, and we're ready to go. The installation is pretty straightforward. I'd say give yourself about an hour and a half to 2 hours and be back on the road in no time.